at the start of the program, all of us pitched our individual ideas and the most popular ones were shortlisted to be presented in class.
The most important thing that you will learn is to attract like-minded individuals, as well as individuals who may not share your beliefs, and convincing them why your idea is good, and pooling your resources together to create a product that will help benefit the environment.
One of the key frameworks that we had learned was the Javelin board, which taught about the concept of feeling fast and feeling forward and pivoting, and this enabled us to focus on getting out of the classroom to validate our assumption.
As entrepreneurs, it is natural to have a lot of ideas floating at the back of our heads, but the mentors were very helpful to guide us and bring us the step-by-step process on how to bring that product into the real world.
So one of the most memorable moments of the program was getting to visit a high-tech bean sprout farm located in Lim Chu Kang. So there we saw their use of technology in order to improve the productivity of their farms, which aids Singapore in achieving its food sustainability goal of having 30% of its food needs locally sourced and produced by the year 2030.
It was very inspiring to see a local farm running a sustainable yet profitable business in our own domestic market, and they truly imparted very valuable experiences and lessons onto myself. So one of my biggest takeaways from this program was the opportunity to pitch my idea to real experienced investors. It was a good experience getting to know and understand the thought process behind why investors are interested in an idea, the pitch process, and getting feedbacks from them.
I was hugely impressed with all the students today for their pitching. They are very passionate about sustainability with their innovative solutions to resolve social and environmental challenges. I think the program is very unique because students get to interact with mentors from real life, so they will hear what is the real challenges for them to launch those ideas into marketplace. And I think that will really help to train our next generation to think about business and profit very differently so that we can build a sustainable future together.
Yes, I would definitely recommend this program to aspiring entrepreneurs because not only do you get to meet like-minded individuals, but you'll finally have a platform to share your ideas freely with no judgment around you.
Yes, I would recommend this bootcamp to other aspiring entrepreneurs because you will get exposed to a variety of useful frameworks that can aid you in creating and validating your business idea within a short period of time.